Hi everyone, welcome back to the Olivia Vitalix channel. Today, we're exploring something very important but often misunderstood: how to create intimacy through touch in a respectful and caring way. This video isn't just about physical technique, it's about building trust, creating connection, and making your partner feel safe, valued, and understood. Touch, when given with care, can transform not only physical pleasure but also emotional closeness. So, let's walk together through 10 simple but powerful steps that can help deepen intimacy, strengthen bonds, and increase shared pleasure. Remember, this is not a race. It's a journey of patience, listening, and respect. Step 1. Gentle warm-up. True intimacy begins with the whole body, not just one spot. Before moving into sensitive areas, start slowly and lovingly. Focus on soft kisses, strokes along the neck, gentle caresses down the arms, light touches on the lower back, and slow brushes along the thighs. Think of this as warming the atmosphere, like lighting candles before dinner. It creates anticipation, awakens nerve endings, and signals safety to your partner. When the body is warmed gradually, it responds naturally, with deeper relaxation and stronger sensations later. Warming up is never optional. It is the foundation. Step 2. Light external contact. When your partner feels more comfortable and open, move into light, external touches. Start with the outer thighs and gradually circle toward more sensitive areas. Instead of going straight to the most delicate spots, build suspense by touching around them first. Pay close attention to your partner's cues. Notice changes in breathing, the way their body leans toward or away from you, or subtle sounds that indicate rising pleasure. These are signals that you're on the right track. In intimacy, observation is just as important as action. Step 3. Building rhythm. One of the most common mistakes people make is using random or rushed movements. Most women respond best to consistent, predictable rhythms. That might mean circular strokes, gentle up and down motions, or soft side-to-side touches. Broader strokes can give a grounding, enveloping feeling, while smaller fingertip movements add precision. The key is balance. And remember, communication doesn't kill the mood. A simple question like softer or firmer can actually strengthen connection, showing care and attentiveness. Step 4. Internal touch with consent. Lubrication is often a natural sign of arousal, but it should never replace consent. Before moving inside, pause and ask. Respectful communication is not only caring, it's essential. If she agrees, use lubricant to keep things smooth and comfortable. Begin with a single finger, moving slowly and giving her body time to relax. Gentle angles and steady pressure are usually more enjoyable than speed. Intimacy is not about how quickly you move, but how attentively you listen and respond. Step 5. Exploring the front wall. A few centimeters inside, on the front wall of the vaginal canal, lies a sensitive area often referred to as the G-spot. This spot becomes more noticeable as arousal builds. To explore, try gentle curved strokes that create a come-here motion. Keep pressure light at first, adjusting only if she seems comfortable with more. Every body is unique. Some may find this intensely pleasurable, while others may not. The secret is never assuming, but always listening and adapting. Step 6. Adding variety. If she enjoys more fullness, a second lubricated finger may be added. But, again, move gradually and keep your touch controlled. Smaller, steadier motions are often more pleasurable than large, quick movements. For many women, combining internal and external touch is especially powerful. That could mean gentle curved strokes inside while softly stimulating the clitoral hood outside. This kind of layered stimulation can heighten sensation and bring her closer to climax. Step 7. Supporting the peak. As arousal builds, her signals will become clearer. Faster or deeper breathing, increased muscle tension, stronger pelvic movements, or vocal expressions of pleasure. Once you discover the rhythm that feels right for her, the most important thing is consistency. Many women lose momentum when the rhythm suddenly changes. If she says, "right there," the best response is to stay exactly there and continue with the same pressure and pattern. Stability and attentiveness are the keys to helping her reach the peak of pleasure. Step 8. Variations. Intimacy isn't mechanical, it's creative. Small changes can refresh sensations and add depth to the experience. Try stroking from the thighs inward and then outward again, or resting a warm palm gently for calming pressure. Thanks for watching until now. Give me thumbs, tell me where are you from, and don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Okay, let's continue. Another option is adjusting body position. For example, placing a soft pillow under her hips can change the angle of touch, making sensations feel completely different. Explore these variations gently and always watch for her responses to guide you. Step 9. Safety and comfort. Pleasure is impossible without comfort and safety. Always trim and clean your nails to prevent discomfort. Wash your hands thoroughly before and during intimacy if switching between areas. Use lubricant to reduce friction and avoid irritation. If she experiences pain, burning, or discomfort, that is always a signal to stop. Respecting limits is not only about physical health, it's about building trust. A safe experience is what allows pleasure to flourish. Step 10. Aftercare and communication. After moments of deep intimacy, don't simply stop abruptly. Ease off slowly, allowing her body to relax. Many partners enjoy gentle caresses, cuddling, or simply lying together in silence. These quiet moments are just as valuable as the peak itself. Later, when the moment feels right, ask a simple but powerful question. What felt best for you? That feedback is worth more than any technique because it deepens your understanding of your unique partner. It shows you care not just about performance, but about connection. Every person is different. Some may prefer clitoral focus, others enjoy internal touch, and many find a combination of the two most satisfying. There is no single formula. The most important ingredients are respect, patience, communication, and care. When partners feel safe, appreciated, and free of pressure, intimacy naturally becomes more fulfilling. Pleasure is not just physical, it's emotional, mental, and relational. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more relationship and wellness tips, and share it with someone who values building deeper, healthier intimacy. Together, we can make conversations about touch and connection something open, respectful, and empowering.